살자가 붙거나 아니면 입자가 아주 작은 곡식들은 그때는 맛있는데 나중에 싱거워진다고들 하세요. 판차넬라에는 원래 곁들여서 마무리 지어주세요. 이제 감자.
Last breath of summer is blowing down our necks, and soon we'll wave goodbye to the fleeting mist. Because you are like a tidal wave, just ripping up my life and living without trace. You know that I'm in silent patient. smile, it will erupt. And I collect all I can, set aside all the supplies. Your kisses and warmness to get through winter time. Because I'm your silent patient. Yes, I'm your
매운 오징어 하나, 어묵김밥 하나 해주세요.
I've been waiting